Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited. Smartass and Sass is now here for April. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So April 2024 Smartass and Sass big box just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in. I'm super excited. Just like always, they let us know that an item was a little delayed and would be a little bit later than normal. But the box actually did ship out pretty quick this month, so it wasn't that late, but it is now here. Again, this is the big box. I absolutely love the box that it comes in. A monthly subscription for mouthy mofos. Yep. And just so I can say it, just so it's said, this is my Smartass and Sass video. So in this video, I might be saying or showing more foul language than I do in others. So there's your disclaimer. Let's go ahead and dive in. Again, I'm super excited. So when we first open it up, that is a sneak peek to inside of the box. So this month being April, it is Fucktastrophes. Is that how you say it? And that is the theme. Down inside of here, we'll go over all of the information. It will also give you a QR code right here that you can download for a playlist. And it is Listen to the Fucktastrophes playlist. Shit happens, embrace it. Every single month you have a brand new playlist, and I love that. So you have a new playlist to listen to. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in and see all of the different products. So the first thing right on top is the sticky note. So if you have been following me since January, at least, they have been putting in these collectible sticky notes. So here is my January, February, and March. And then also in January, it came with this box that you can actually purchase from their site, along with these extra sticky notes too that you can get. So for this month, we have weekly spending tracker. Week of, budgeted, actually spent, the date, the transaction, how much you spent, if it was a want or a need. The art is not making money, but keeping it. Most of all my stuff is I think I need it, but it's mainly a want. So now I can add that to here, and at the end of the year we'll have all 12 to complete the collection. So that is awesome, and it has a $4.95 value. Okay, so next up we have, it looks like there is a hat here. It says live, laugh, leave me alone. I really love this mint color in it, but I unfortunately am not a hat wearer. I just don't look right with hats with this big old dome that I have. So I've never ever been a hat wearer. So I will pass this down to somebody who does wear hats, or put it in a future giveaway pile so somebody would actually use it. But it does say this is by Smartass and Sass. Live, laugh, leave me alone hat. When there's just no taming that mane, this hat's got you covered, literally. With its adjustable strap and the message, you may even find yourself donning in a good hair day just cuz. Value for $29.95. But again, I will pass this down to another or put it in my giveaway pile so somebody can actually use it. But I love that color, and I love that saying. Now we have something that is in a box, and it looks like it is a flask. It says it says sip happens. You know, like shit happens, but it's sip happens. That is so fun. I think I have a flask, but what's on it I don't think is as cute as this message. So I'm definitely going to rock this one. This is super cute, and I love that it is is it a black? Yeah, I love that it is a black and it's in silver, not gold. So that's what it looks like. This is by Smartass and Sass, of course. Sip happens flask. Listen, if Rihanna needed a bracelet flask to get through Coachella, there's no shame in secretly sipping on this 6-ounce stainless steel liquid patient holder to get you through the meeting that could have been an email. Sip happens. That is just so cute. I love that. $14.95 again is the value, and that is just so neat. Okay, so now we have, it looks like we have a head. I have a head. Yeah, I do have a head. Thank you. Oh my God, spa headband. Headband. The band just didn't come out of my mouth. Let me get this open so we can see what it looks like. Oh, whoa, it must be a little set here. It says, what are these? What are these for? Your arms? What are these for? It says, whether it's time to prepare for the shit show ahead or scrub that long ass day away, this super fun spa headband is here to hold your hair back better than your bestie after one too many Jaeger bombs. Equipped with an elastic band to ensure zero slippage, this is a beauty routine must-have. So these to me look like they would be like little sweating to the oldies, little armbands, but I'm assuming that they're going to be like a hairband to pull your hair back then. And then here is the actual headpiece, and it says headband, and it says OMG, OMG on both sides. I have so many of these, so I'm probably just gonna save this for one of you guys to enjoy, but I've never seen one that comes with like these little sweating to the oldie bands. Scrunchies, whatever these are. I've never seen a set of like 3 that includes this, so that's really neat. It is a value of $9.95, but again, I think I'm going to pass this set down to you guys so one of you guys can enjoy it, because I have so many headbands that are just sitting there. I honestly don't even really wear one myself. I just throw my hair up in a bun or whatever and I'm good to go. Okay, so let's keep on going. Now we have, it says, Too Much Fun, Pre-Diluted Essential Oil Roll-On Blend Plant Therapy. This is what it looks like. This is by Plant Therapy. It says Too Much Fun Roll-On. In case you filled your flask a little too full and aren't feeling quite as happy the next morning, this essential roller has got your back and front. Massage on wrists, back of neck, temples, or abdomen to naturally tackle hangover symptoms. Ooh, that's awesome. Made with both head and tummy girlies in mind, there's an ingredient for whatever ails you. I hope there's not lavender in here though. There's lavender oil in here. Dang. So I was totally gonna love to be using something, because if I'm drinking and the next morning I don't feel too good, I could use this, but I see lavender right on it. It says lavender. So no thank you. So yeah, I'm not gonna open it. I'm just gonna leave it closed so I can pass it down to you guys, because with that lavender, I'm sorry, I get enough migraines as it is. I don't need anything or something to help me along that way. So I always stay clear away from lavender and rose. And again, lavender is right on this label. So I will save this for one of you guys to enjoy. But again, it's a $12.95 value, and it's supposed to help you the next day, especially like after hangovers or you're just not feeling too good. It should help you feel a little bit better. That's definitely interesting. Okay, so moving right along, we have unsolicited sarcasm, my favorite kind. There's that. They come in a cute reusable pouch and have space on the back for a personalized message. So so on the back of these has room for a personalized message. This says unsolicited sarcasm cards, valued for $12.95. The best kind of sarcasm is unsolicited. Hand these cards out like candy to anyone that deserves to know why they suck today. Featuring 5 unique designs and phrases packed perfectly inside a cute AF canvas bag. These cards say it so you don't have to. So this first one says a penny. I guess that's supposed to be a penny. The font is horrible. A penny for your thoughts seems a bit pricey. Wow. Yeah, the font was a little off for me. Everyone is entitled to my opinion. Fuck your opinion. Here's entitled to my opinion. Have a shitty day. Yeah, go have a shitty day. I wouldn't really wish a shitty day on anybody unless you're trying to shit on my day. So this one says, dang, that font. Let's keep the dumb fuckery to a minimum today, is what that one says. And then the last one says, whew, you should come with a warning label. Yeah, just that one font is a little hard to read because it has a really thin line on one part of it. So it was a little hard, but I got it. The back has its own blank area. I didn't show you that. The back is its own blank area where you can write your own message if you wanted to add a little, like this one says, why you suck. Again, that font. And you could write it. But yeah, all of them, I think they all say why you suck, and you can write whatever message you want on the back of them. So here is your own little unsolicited sarcasm cards. Again, valued for $12.95. Okay, so now we have Undo Your Do Detangling Brush, and it has a little flip off. Undo Your Do Detangling Brush. It's flipping you off. This one here says, for when a messy bun just isn't the vibe, smooth out those locks with this broad paddle detangler brush. This brush works great for all hair types, wet or dry. And of course, we had to hide our favorite one finger salute on the handle. This I might actually send to my mom because what I've been trying to do is go visit her. I mean, I tried before at least once a year, and then the whole world went to shit. So it took me few years. I had a little few year break because I didn't want to get her sick or anything like that traveling and then going to her. So I waited for her protection, and then animals did this. Vienna was like paralyzed for 6 months. My other chicken was messed up for 7 months. Like it was just one thing after another, and a lot of time went by. But now I'm trying to go at least twice a year to kind of make up for lost time. And what I've been doing is just sending stuff to her to leave there. And I don't think I left a brush there. So I'm going to probably send this to her so I can leave the brush at her house. And then I don't have to bring one with me traveling or, you know, anything like that. But I think that's super cute. And I love using this style brush. Okay, so now we have, it says, no tripophobia. The fear of not having any travel plans booked. So this right here says, sometimes it's okay to run from your troubles. When shit hits the fan, pack this clear toiletry bag full of your necessities and get the hell out of town for a much needed change of scenery, valued for $14.95. So it's just a clear plastic bag. You can store anything in it. It's that wide. And then there is the little saying right there. So there's your cosmetic bag that says no tripophobia. I might stick this in my suitcase so I can use it when I do travel, but this is valued at $14.95. Oh my goodness, you guys, we still have one more item and then the shirt. There's a lot of items in this month. What are you? Clean Mouth Dirty Mind. Dirty Mind toothbrush case? Holy shit, how many toothbrushes are you gonna put in there? Okay, it's like a whole setup then. Only how many toothbrushes you got. So you have this little hoochie thing that you can hang through here to actually have it, if you want to hold it like a wristlet, I guess. And it says Dirty Mind toothbrush case. Coffee breath? No problem. Midday dentist appointment? We got you. This portable case will keep your toothbrush clean and within reach. And with enough space for a full-size tube of toothpaste and then some. It's basically the overnight bag you need. Hell, you could probably get a pair of your underpants in there too. Valued for $12.95. So it looks like this could be like your cup to then rinse your mouth out. That's cool. You have a built-in little cup with it. And then down inside of here, you have this big opening where you can put several toothbrushes on one side and a full thing of toothpaste on the other side. Or cram your chones in there if you need to. Put whatever you want in there. But I do like that it comes with the cup that you can use there. You could put your stuff here and then here. So yeah, you have this again valued for $12.95. That'll go great with like my traveling stuff as well. And then this to send to my mom. So this is a lot of good traveling things this month. Again, you have your little dangle hoochie thing to attach to it as well. All right, you guys. So the last item is going to be the shirt. I think we've only received, well, since I've been getting this box, I think I only have one all white shirt. I don't normally wear white. Luckily, I'm wearing a white bra today, so it was perfect for me to take the photo. But it says flawless like a natural disaster. There is that. Now, all of their shirts are on the soft blended Bella and Canvas unisex tees. They go from extra small all the way up to 4XL. So if you get the big box, you get to choose which shirt size that you would like. If you get the regular box and there's some shirts that you want, you can always purchase the shirts individually on their website at any given time. Great ideas for yourself, gift ideas, that kind of thing. I always go shopping through their shop whenever gift giving's coming, like especially when Christmas is coming up. They have huge discounts and sales, so I always shop their shop for gifts at any time of the year. So here is the shirt again, flawless like a natural disaster, in the white tone. Oh, and it does give us a sneak peek to May's box theme. It is resting beach face. Whether you're heading to the Caymans or the kiddie pool in the backyard, the statement remains the same. Dive into some relaxation. Stat. However long I end up staying, I hope my face gets stuck this way. My true dream job in life is beach. So there again is the shirt. So that is everything for the April box. If you get the big box and you get the shirt included, this will be the shirt that you would receive in the size that you select. And then all of these other items would be in the box and obviously the big box. So you have this for your toothbrush and your toothpaste, and it even has your handy dandy little cup there. You have a roller, which has lavender, so I will save this for one of you guys. You have this flask that I just love. Sip happens. It is so cute. You have a cosmetic bag. You have a detangling brush. You have these snarky little cards that you can put on people's cars if they fucking piss you off. You have a ball cap. And then you have this 3-piece headband set. Oh, and don't forget the Post-it notes. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything for the April 2024 box. What do you guys think of the items? What do you think in there? What would be your favorite item if you received this box? Let me know. If you would like a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I will have them linked down below. You can follow that to go check them out. If you want to get the box, no shirt, just all of the items inside, no shirt, that one is $49.95, and you'll receive 6 to 8 full-size items that'll make you laugh your ass off. If you go to the big box like they send me, you get the shirt and all of the items. It's $69.95, and that's when you choose if you want the extra small to 4XL for the shirt size. And free US shipping is included in both of those prices. They've now included free US shipping in those prices, and that's absolutely amazing. So there's no additional fees, just the box price. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, I will have them all linked down below if you'd like to go check them out. If you'd like to see other discount codes and learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. So comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.